Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel a domain and get a refund in Godaddy. First, go to the Refund Help section on Godaddy's website. You'll notice it says that to get a refund, you'll first need to delete the product or service associated with the domain you want refunded. But before doing that, make sure your domain is eligible for a refund. To confirm eligibility, check GoDaddy's refund policy. There, you'll find the specific criteria and timeframes for refunds depending on your product type. For example, domain registrations and renewals usually have a limited refund window. Now, let's go ahead and delete your domain. Log into your GoDaddy account. Then, click your profile name at the top right corner. Select My Products. From there, find the domain you want refunded and click on it. On your domain dashboard, go to the DNS section on the left panel. Then, open Domain Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced Settings section. Here, click Delete Domain. A confirmation message will appear. Check the box to confirm that you understand and consent, then click Continue. Once your domain is deleted, the next step is to contact GoDaddy support to request your refund. Open a new tab and go to the GoDaddy Help Center. From there, you can start a live chat or call their customer support. Let them know that you've already deleted your domain and would like to request a refund for it. They may ask for a few details such as your order number or domain name to verify your request. After submitting your refund request, GoDaddy will process it and you'll receive your refund according to their policy and payment method used. And that's it. You've now successfully canceled your domain and get a refund from GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.